Hello, Avon third grade. I would love to tell you that I am off in Mexico having a great time on the beach. But the truth is, I'm sitting here so alone in the classroom with no third graders to drive me crazy. Seriously though, I am here at the school. I am getting things ready for you. In science, we had talked about how organisms need to adapt to their changing environments. That is what we need to do right now. We need to adapt to the change in our environment, but still continue to learn. So we are going to be doing something called flex learning. It is a way for us to be flexible with our learning style, yet we are still going to be successful. With that being said, I am sending home a packet. There will be a lesson plan in that packet that will kind of keep you on track on what you need to do from day to day. I have Scholastic News coming your way. That's the wrong side. The Scholastic News is coming your way. And with that Scholastic News, a lot of you are going to be very excited to know that I have your very own password so you can get on and do all the interactive pieces with Scholastic News that you guys like. Also, I know a lot of you guys like cursive, so I have a cursive packet coming your way. I have some math, I have some reading. We just have all sorts of lots of learning going on in this packet. Make sure that you are taking responsibility for your learning. Moms and dads and guardians, they're going to be around, but they also have their own jobs and they have other kids, which means that you are the one who is solely responsible to make sure that you're getting this learning done. On Friday, you will return the packets to me and I will get them corrected. Hopefully we can all be back together soon in our classroom. That's what I'm most looking forward to. I miss you guys, and this one is for Bentley. Yeah, yep, I'll be right there. Okay, I gotta go. Someone's calling for me. Talk to you later. Bye. What the heck? Was someone recording on here?